as soon as I get a case in, I just start thinking about not just what are the important documents, but how can I present this information to an audience and make it sticky, make it memorable. And I load up, I create a case in TrialPad as soon as it comes in the door, and I start loading documents in there. I typically often review documents in TrialPad because then I'll use the key document feature to identify those pages of a document that are important and just start dumping them into that folder. So I know that I'm going to use TrialPad at trial if it gets there. But before that time, I know I've got to update a client on a case. I'm going to likely be in a mediation setting. Increasingly, our mediations are by Zoom. So I'm going to have opportunities to present information visually long before I get to trial. So that's what I was saying at the beginning. TrialPad, I have used it in many, many presentations, including those that weren't legal presentations. I'll load in I'll create a PowerPoint. I'll create a PDF of that PowerPoint, and I'll load it into TrialPad so that I can present my PowerPoint in TrialPad that gives me the ability to bring a static presentation to life with callouts, using my own pen to highlight on it. So it should be called PresentationPad or something like that, because it really is, that's the way I use it.